The Hellcord got some upgrades and all of them are not even installed yet, but I'm going to show you guys what I've already done and what I'm going to do. If you haven't noticed already, I finally fixed the front bumper. So the era of the old beat-up Honda is no more. And the car really is a beat-up. It was just the bumper that made it look so shit. To make the car fit the name Hellcord, I added an OEM Hellcat badge. Now some people may have some opinions about this, and let me know yours in the comments down below. But I think it can't really be the Hellcord without a Hellcat badge. Like, come on. One of the things I haven't done yet is put on these little claw marks to one of the headlights, because I'm just trying to find as many mods I can do to really make the Hellcord fit the name. It needs to be more aggressive, more mean. You need to look at this car and know that it's gonna give you hell when you see this shit. And another mod that's gonna do that is a carbon fiber hood scoop. Because if you see carbon fiber and a hood scoop, come on, like, you know you're gonna get taken to fucking Applebee's in like 0.1 seconds. Like, don't even fucking try it, you know? And probably the most important mod that I'm gonna do to this car real soon is another engine swap. Now I'm sure you already heard about my twin turbo V10 from a Lamborghini, but I blew that up. So at the moment I'm running just the stock V6, and that's just not enough to be the real Hellcord. So I may or may not be swapping a Hellcat engine in the Hellcord. Now listen, it's not confirmed yet. I'm working on it, but I want to hear from you. Should I put a Hellcat engine in this car, or should I put a different engine? Because if all of you want a different engine, that's what the Hellcord's gonna get. But I'm really leaning towards the Hellcat engine because it just makes sense. But if for some reason you didn't see how menacing the Hellcord was back when you had the Lamborghini engine, click the video on the screen right now and go watch it.